Hello everyone, welcome back to CraftLoaded. Today, I'll show you how to build this DIY cardboard MCX Spear LT from scratch. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you some of its features. This lower receiver features a functional trigger, a working safety selector that locks and unlocks the trigger, a functional bolt catch, and a working magazine release. Before we begin the tutorial, make sure to download the printable templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Lower receiver. Step 1. Prepare templates number 1 and number 2. Step 2. Glue template number 2 on top of template number 1. Step 3. Glue template number 3 on top of template number 2. Step 4. Glue template number 4 on top of template number 3. Step 5. Attach trigger guard template number 5 on top of template number 4. Step 6. Glue template No. 6 on top of template number 5. Step 7. Attach template number 7 to the receiver body as shown in the video. Step 8. Glue template No. 8 on top of template number 7. Then attach the angled cardboard piece as shown. Step 9. Attach magwell part number 9 on top of template number 4. Step 10. Prepare template number 10 and glue template number 11 on top of it. Step 11. Glue template number 12 on top of template number 11. Step 12. Prepare another template number 7 and attach it to the opposite side of the receiver. Step 13. Glue template number 8 onto template No. 7 and add the angled cardboard spacer as shown. Step 14. Attach another magwell part number 9 on top of template number 12. Step 15. Attach template No. 13 as shown in the video. Step 16. Attach part number 14 to the receiver body as shown. Step 17. Prepare a cardboard strip 1.8 cm wide. Step 18. Glue the strip in place as shown in the video. Step 19. Prepare template number 15 and a 2.4 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 20. Glue the strip behind template number 15, then attach the assembly to the front of the magazine well. Step 21. Prepare 2 copies of template No. 16 and a 5 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 22. Glue the strip between the 2 template number 16 pieces. Step 23. Prepare 2 safety selector pieces. Template number 17. One selector should already have the half-circle locking pin installed. Step 24. Install the trigger, then insert the safety selector to lock and unlock the trigger mechanism. Step 25. Glue template No. 18 onto the rear of the receiver at an angle to create the rear contour. Step 26. Prepare 2 copies each of templates number 19 and number 20, along with 2 1.2 cm wide cardboard strips. Step 27. Assemble and install the trigger guard support underneath the receiver. Step 28. Prepare template number 21. Step 29. Install it between the previous parts to complete the trigger guard. Step 30. Prepare template number 22 and an 8 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 31. Attach the assembly behind the trigger guard to create the pistol grip mounting area. Step 32. Prepare a 1 mm thick cardboard spacer and 2 paper tubes. Step 33. Install these parts on top of the receiver. Step 34. Attach template No. 23 to both sides of the paper tubes. Step 35. Glue template number 24 on top of the paper tubes. Step 36. Cover the gap between templates number 23 and No. 24 using template number 25 and small cardboard pieces. Step 37. Attach template number 26 to close the opening at the rear of the receiver. Step 38. Install the rear Picatinny rail. The tutorial for this part is available in the YouTube Shorts section on this channel. The link is in the description. Step 39. Prepare magazine release parts number 27 and number 28. Then glue template number 28 onto number 27. Step 40. Attach template number 29. Drill the mounting hole, then insert the bamboo skewer pin. Step 41. Prepare template number 30 and an 8 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 42. Wrap the strip around the edges of template number 30. Step 43. Prepare the magazine release assembly you made earlier in a spring. Step 44. Install the magazine catch first, then insert the spring from the opposite side, and secure it with the magazine release button. Step 45. Prepare templates number 31, number 32, and number 33. Step 46. Assemble the parts as shown in the video. Step 47. Insert the assembly into the slot, install the bamboo skewer pin, and glue it in place to complete the functional bolt catch. Step 48. Prepare template number 35 and a thin cardboard strip. Step 49. Attach the parts to the rear of the receiver to create the rear sling attachment point. Step 50. Prepare a 6 mm wide cardboard strip. Step 51. Install it at the front of the receiver to create the front pivot pin support. Step 52. Glue thin cardboard pieces onto the right side of the receiver to create the bolt catch details. Step 53. Cover the exposed bamboo skewer on the left side using a small cardboard piece. Step 54. Sand all the areas highlighted in blue as shown in the video to achieve the final receiver shape. Next section, pistol grip. Step 55. Prepare templates number 36 and number 37. Step 56. Glue template number 36 to the back of template number 37. Step 57. Fold along the marked lines and glue the part securely to form the curved shape of the pistol grip. Step 58. Glue template No. 38 on top of template number 37. Step 59. Attach sandpaper template number 39 into the recessed area of template number 38 to create the pistol grip texture. Step 60. Repeat the same process to make the opposite side of the pistol grip. Step 61. Prepare a 1.4 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 62. Glue the strip to the back of the pistol grip. Step 63. Close the grip by attaching the opposite side. Step 64. Cover the remaining opening with small cardboard pieces. Next section, magazine. Step 65. Prepare templates number 40 and number 41. Step 66. Glue template number 41 to the front of template number 40. Step 67. Prepare another template number 40 for the opposite side, along with template number 42. Step 68. Glue template number 42 to the front of template number 40. Step 69. Attach template No. 43 to the top of the magazine to reinforce the feed lip area. Step 70. Prepare two cardboard strips measuring 1.1 cm and 1.7 cm wide, along with a thin cardboard strip. Step 71. Glue the strips to the back of the magazine as shown in the video. Step 72. Attach the opposite side of the magazine to close the assembly. Step 73. Prepare a 1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 74. Stack the strip on the back of the magazine until it reaches a total thickness of 4 mm. Step 75. Prepare two copies of accessory template number 44. Step 76. Attach the parts as shown in the video. Step 77. Prepare templates number 46 and number 47. Step 78. Glue template number 47 on top of template No. 46. Step 79. Prepare template number 48. Step 80. Glue template number 48 on top of template number 47. Step 81. Insert the completed assembly into the slot at the bottom of the magazine. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next part of this DIY cardboard MCX Spear LT build. See you in the next video.